Good morning and welcome. This is Jeffrey's regular channel page on this Wednesday, November 16th, 2022. We're just letting the Erie and Crawford County residents know that the winter storm watch for Erie and Crawford counties has been canceled, so that's good news to report. The bad news is there is a couple operation weather changes we're going to do coming up in just a little bit. Um, but before that, we're going to remind everyone, if you haven't already, subscribe to Jeffrey's regular channel page on YouTube, along with Jeffrey the Train Expert's YouTube channel. We got over 500 videos excuse me, of, on my regular channel pages of the operation weather we're doing now. Um, we do the holidays, the weddings, the occasions, the anniversaries, um, um, semi trucks. We seen a bunch yesterday, including the Pepsi truck. We had garbage trucks and a. Oh, she's gonna wash it. Okay. And a lot more. All galore at Jeffrey's regular channels. Check it out. Make sure to, if you haven't already, subscribe to Jeffrey the Train Expert on YouTube. We got over 1,300 videos of trains and trainless videos on YouTube, like the Norfolk Southern, CSX, OC&T. I'm hearing the one air horn. Oh, um, uh, Western New York, BNSF, BNP, Canadian Trains, Union Pacific, and Amtrak to enjoy. All, and Bessemer too. All trains galore at Jeffrey the Train Expert. Check it out. Yeah, the National Weather Service had changed um late last night that but that the winter storm watch had been changed for a lake effect snow warning for Erie counties and a winter weather advisory for Crawford counties. We'll have that winter weather advisory here on the regular channel page coming up in just a little bit. Um, just like yesterday, we seen it was rolled a winter weather advisory was supposed to be in effect for Erie and Crawford counties from 7 o'clock today till 7 o'clock tomorrow night. But the National Weather Service of Cleveland said they're going to cancel it. So that's good news to report. But the bad news is it's supposed to call for two weather updates we're going to get to here coming up in a rather a moments right here on the regular channel page. And and what according to the weather, did they say how many did they was it late last night when that winter weather got changed, or was it early today? Actually it was early today, actually. Yeah, I thought it was late last night. It was early today. Oh, excuse me. Yeah. but nobody didn't know, or I didn't know, and yeah, because the only video we did yesterday was the winter storm watch. I put in the Crawford County first, but they also called for that same watch for Erie counties, but you don't do the small craft advisories, right? No, I don't do the small craft advisories. No, I don't. I never done the Operation Weathers for small craft advisories. I have with I done 100 and I think we have 100 and like 12 Operation Weathers, and I never done them small craft advisories. We just do tornadoes, severe thunderstorms, flooding, and winter weather stuff. And we also started with dense fog advisories and stuff, and we did get a heat advisory. Though, so we had that's all the Operation Weathers. I also had a couple, and we do have severe thunderstorm statements, um, dense fog statements, and we also do. And I did get one special weather statement this year in the wintry way. I think I did that like a couple of weeks ago, or I think it was a few weeks ago. Yeah, and yeah. How many? Did you say we had 112 videos of the Operation Weather? Right, that's correct. This is our 113th Operation Weather we're doing right now, and this time there's a cancellation for a winter storm watch. Oh. It was supposed to be in effect till 10 o'clock, right? Tomorrow, today or tomorrow? Tomorrow. It's till 10 o'clock tomorrow, not tonight. It's supposed to start from 10 o'clock. From No, it's actually supposed to be till 7 o'clock tomorrow, but it was supposed to be starting around 7 p.m. tonight through 10 o'clock tomorrow, but instead, they decided to cancel that watch because there's two weather changes we're going to have here coming up in just a little bit. Yeah, yeah. Mhm. I think I got all this out of my hair. Yeah, yeah. Oh, one more before. Um, did you say how many winter weather stuff we've been? Does Crawford ever call for a lake effect snow warning or watch? No, we have called for winter weather advisories, winter storm watch, and the winter storm watches and warnings. But I don't think we ever called for lake effect snow warnings for Crawford. They have an Erie. Oh, so All right, all right, we have another, all right, we have an Operation Weather right now. So we're gonna get off. Again, again, that the winter storm watch for Erie and Crawford counties has been canceled early today, so that's good news to report. But there is two Operation Weathers we gotta do coming up next here on the regular channel page. We have it. We got a winter weather advisory for Crawford counties and a lake effect snow warning or watch, one of the two, for Erie counties. This is all gonna be told till tomorrow evening. So, but we're gonna get off and we'll get back on with the next weather update. That will be the winter weather advisory for Erie and Crawford, or I should say for Crawford counties. So let's get off and we'll get back on with the next weather update. That will be the that will be the that will be the that will be the winter weather advisory for Crawford and also I'll add in the lake effect snow for Erie counties. So all right, we'll talk to you guys on the next weather update. Talk to you later.